and assure you on behalf of my brothers and sisters in this team that we will remain on this assignment with an inflexible and decisive focus until your objectives as our President and Commander-in-Chief are achieved. Guns should not be in hands that should not have them.
Hatujamaliza, tutaendelea mpaka tuhakikishe ya kwamba silaha zote ambazo ziko kwa mikono ya wale ambao hawastahili kuwa na hizo silaha tumezirudisha, and we have destroyed them so that we can have a peaceful, focused country that looks forward to peace, stability, and prosperity for all.